Hi students, in this class we solve one problem in 9th class first chapter. What is the problem? Find the value of root 2 up to 3 decimal places by long division method. So, solution, what we find out? Root 2 equals to what? We use division method in 8th class. Same method we use in to find the value of root 2. First of all, we take after 2 place decimal point. So 2 point, and we also write zeros after decimal point. Group 0 in pairs and we take bar over them. Understand? First, 1 1 ja 1. So, here is 1. 2 minus 1, 1. We take 2 zeros. First of all, before 2 zeros, decimal point is here. So, we take decimal point and we take 2 zeros. What next? 2 times of 1 means 2 into 1, that equals to 2. Then we take here 1, then 1. That means 21 into 1 equals to 21. So 22 into 2, we take 2, we take 2. 22 into 2, 44. Next, 23 into 3, 69. 24 into 4, 96. We take 25 into 5, 125. We use same number this, same number this. So 25 into 5, bigger number. So 24 into 4, 96. Next. So borrowing, that is 4. Next we take 2 zeros. Here what is the number? 14. So 2 times of 14 means 14 into 2. That means 28. So we take 28. Same use. 281 1. 281 into 1. 281. 282 into 2. That equals 416. So 4 564. So we take 281 into 1. 281. So 9 1 1. That means 119. Then we take 2 zeros. Here the number is 141. So 141 into 2 times of 141. That means 141 into 2. That means 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2. So 282. Same. We take same 282 and 2821 into 1 equals to 2821. 2822 into 2. That means 4 4 6 5. 5644. So we take 2823 into 3. That means 9 6 4 so 8469. Next 2824 into 4, that equals to 6 9 2 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11. That means 11,296. So 2,824, we use 4. 11,296. So here 4 0 6. Then in this sum, find the value of root 2 up to 3 decimal places by along division method. So we take up to 3 decimals. 1.414. In this sum, let us ask up to 4 decimals. We same process continue. So root 2 equals to 1.414 and so on. Thank you.